Hi, my name's Danielle Collins. I'm the world-leading face yoga expert. So I'm going to show you a super quick, easy tip that I use to help get rid of puffiness underneath the eyes. So if you're used to my face yoga techniques, you'll know that I use lots of face yoga for that area. So some really good lymphatic drainage techniques, some really good acupressure techniques, some really good massage and exercises too. But there's another little trick I use using a gua sha. So we stock these beautiful high quality gua shas in our shop at faceyogaexpert.com/shop if you want to go and check those out. And what I do is I actually pop it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. So if you pop it in the freezer about 30 minutes before you want to use it, just in a little bowl, and then I simply press it underneath the eyes, and then I'll hold there for around 30 seconds. It's quite nice as you do this to close your eyes, to breathe deeply, and you're just allowing the cooling effects of the gua sha to take down any puffiness or swelling that you might have in your eye area. And also, if you're using a beautiful quality jade gua sha, then you're having all the crystal healing benefits from this beautifully made crystal too. And then you do the same thing the other side. You gently press, you allow those cooling benefits to take down that puffiness, and it works wonders, and you'll find that it really quickly helps with that depuffing. Now, I do recommend, if you want to prevent the depuffing, you really work on regular face yoga, but this is such a great quick technique you can do, as well as having those lovely crystal healing benefits for your skin. So that just gives you that quick, easy technique you can integrate into your day. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you again soon.